Hi, I'm Paulo from Tupan Games, and today we are doing a tutorial about the tools in Multiverse Designer. Let's start with this tool, okay? And since they are very close, please do not confound this with this one, okay? This one is an architecture floor. You can change things here, okay? And this one is the load image asset. You can click and load, choose an asset, okay? It's a PNG file, okay? And then you have any 2D image to put in the game. And since this can be fully rotated, okay, you can put it on walls, you can put it on the floor, you can put it anywhere you want. And also it works with transparency. So it could be used for anything really.